Complementary colors. Open your folder to complementary colors. Circle the definition. You will be using this a lot later. You're going to refer back to this page when using complementary colors on the fruit painting. So later on in the year, we're going to be using this big time. Alright, read along with me. Ready, set, go. These colors are located across each other on the color wheel. When placed next to each other, they make each other appear brighter. When mixed, they make each other look dark, make a darker value. And that's what we're going to be doing on the fruit painting. So, below, list the complementary colors. Look for a pattern as you list the colors. You only need to memorize 3 combinations and the X trick to know all 12 combinations. So, let me show you how this works. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you a really silly way to remember complementary colors. I want you to imagine that first of all, you're always going to have one warm color and one cool color together to make complementary color groups. So I want you to imagine that this side of the color wheel, these are all warm colors, is on one side of a room and they're at a color party. And this side is all on the other side of the room. These are cool colors and these are warm colors. And the cool colors, they're looking at on the other side of the room, they're looking across the room and they're looking at the warm colors and like, oh baby, you're so hot. And the warm colors, they're looking across at the cool colors across the room and they're all huddled together and like, oh my gosh, look at them, they're so cool. Alright, that's really stupid, but you know, stupid works sometimes, so do it. Alright, so complementary colors are across from each other on the color wheel. So let's look at our color wheel here. If I need to find the complementary color of violet, all I have to do is lay my pencil down. Ooh, ah. Do that. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. And it points to the answer. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so easy. So, the complementary color of red. On the count of 3, I want you to yell out the answer to the complementary color of red. 1, 2, 3. Green! It's green, Miss Littlefinger, it's green! So I'm going to write the word green. I am not going to color green. I am not going to put a G. I'm also going to make that E a little bit more clear. Alright, the complementary color of yellow. On the count of 3, loudly please. 1, 2, 3. Violet! The complementary color of yellow is violet. And the complementary color of blue is 1, 2, 3. Orange, Miss Littlefingers, orange. Okay, now you know all of these. Look at this. The complementary color of green is, look up here, green. It's red. Look, same. What's the complementary color of violet? Tell me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's yellow. Yellow and violet. Violet and yellow. And the complementary color of orange. 1, 2, 3. Blue. Now, you only had to know 3 combinations there to know all 6 of those. So let me show you the trick now. So let's go down to intermediate colors. I've got blue, violet, and I'm going to make, super focus on the screen, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make an X. This is my X trick. I'm going to draw an arrow at the end of each of those. What is the complementary color of blue? Let me look up here. It's orange. So I'm going to draw that arrow over. I'm going to put an O there. What's the complementary color of violet? It's yellow, Miss Littlefinger. Yellow. So let's look here and see if blue-violet's complementary color is indeed yellow-orange. Blue-violet. It is, Miss Littlefinger. It's totally yellow-orange. Alright, good. So, let's complete these last ones. And I'm going to let you go ahead and write the abbreviations for these. Y-O. Blue-green's complementary color. I know that green's complementary color is red. I know that blue's complementary color is orange. So let's see if blue-green is red-orange. Ah, pshaw! Yellow-green, the complementary color of green is red. Complementary color of yellow is violet. Violet. V, violet. So yellow, green, red, violet. Yellow's complementary color is violet. Whoops, 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 whoops. My bad. I have to start with the second one here. Orange's complementary color is blue. Yellow's complementary color is violet. So yellow, orange. Yellow, orange, complementary color, blue, violet. Red, orange. Orange's complementary color is blue. Red's complementary color is green. Red, orange, blue, green. And the last one, red, violet. Violet's complementary color is yellow. Red's complementary color is green. So red, let's see, red, violet, red, violet, red, violet, yellow, green. Okay, complete your page on complementary colors. Now, if I wore, besides being a huge dork, if I wore a violet colored shirt and a yellow pair of pants, it'd be really atrocious. That would make them look even brighter. But if I mix violet and yellow paint together, it makes a duller color. When we do our fruit paintings, you're going to make apples, and you're not going to use any black paint. You're going to use the complementary color green to make a slightly darker value, and it's much richer than adding black. Right? Do it!